These days, we're hearing more and more about the weakening manufacturing sector in the U.S. economy. While the most recently available data shows manufacturing grew in the first quarter, an important forward-looking reading, the ISM Manufacturing Index, was recently below 50, so anticipating contraction. In this week's Sightlines, we review the implications of a possibly slower manufacturing sector on the U.S. economy. Now, manufacturing was a big part of the economy after World War II, for example in 1953 representing over 28% of gross domestic product, or GDP. But how that has changed. Much through the growth of the services sector, manufacturing's contribution to GDP has declined and most recently represents only about 11 to 12% of GDP. We see similar data with employment. In 1946, about 1 out of every 3 jobs in the U.S. was in manufacturing. And this is consistent with our history, as industrial advances post-World War II were very important to our economy and our workforce. Today, only 8.5% of jobs are in manufacturing, or about 1 in 12. So, should we be concerned a possibly slower manufacturing sector may cause a recession? Given the reduced role of manufacturing overall, we think not. We invite you to read Sightlines to learn more about our work analyzing the manufacturing sector and the implications of leading indicators that have turned negative. Thank you.